So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can speed up the clips on the DaVinci, how you can make the video slow motion, or how you can toggle any of kind of the speed of the clips on DaVinci. Now, for example, this is a basic project that I've created and I imported some of the clips on the timeline. Now, if I want to speed up this clip, just simply right click on the clip, and here you'll see this option that says clip attributes. Click on the clip attributes, and here you have to go to a section that says video. Here you'll see this option that says change clip speed. Click over there, and from here you can find this menu that you can use, customize the speed of the clip that is on your timeline. Now, for example, if I want to speed up this to the 200%, so I just simply write 200 and hit change. Now you'll see the clip has been speed up to 2 times. Now again, if you want to slow down the clips or you want to add the slow motion effect, just simply click on this option of change speed, change the clip speed as well. And from here you can easily customize, like for example, if I want it to be the 50% only and hit change, now you'll notice if I extend it, it can be extended till very long, and the clip have been now slowed to 0.5x, so you can easily toggle the speed of the clip using this option.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.